All right, y'all. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I just can't believe I found these, man. Like, I'm just riding around, man, going from store to store. And the guy was like, man, you have to come back at 3 o'clock. Now, this Hibbit, y'all, you got to come back at 3 o'clock because at 12, we do a raffle. We do another raffle at 12. And, you know, whatever we got left over at 3 is yours. I say, all I need is 11 and a half. I went to the store, came back. Boy, I had them for me, man. So here we go. Here we go. Damn. I can't wait to see how these look on feet. Wow, man. So, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm assuming that's nubuck material. And then you have your patent leather right there in the middle. Let's get some light so y'all can see better. Yeah, man. I had to have these, man. I told myself I'm going to slow down this year, man. Just buying shoes. I have to buy the ones that I really want, man. And I'm in love with threes. I never was a three guy. I never was a Jordan 4. I grew up liking Jordan 11, 12, 13, 14s. Just a few 14, you know. But, man, I don't know, man. I just love Jordan 3s, man. At one time, I like 4s better than 3s, but 3s, you know, was age appropriate for me, for my age, 43, man. Look at the shoestrings. The shoestrings, see that? Shoestrings matching this material right here. The toe box material, and on the back, too. Let's see, matter of fact, before we go to on feet, let me show you the 3s that I have. Let's start with these at the top. These right here, I had these on, I believe, two weeks ago. Let's go to the next one. I'm pretty sure these are the Wizards. Correct me if I'm wrong. I like these, man. I like the colorway on these. Let's check these out right here. These is a racer blue. Did I get that right, y'all? Racer blue. Racer blue. Man, these need to be clean. A little hood a little bit. These are the fire red 3s. The fire red 3s. I had to have these, man. I got them. I didn't get them when they came out. I got them on StockX later on. But your boy had to have these. And these, I believe, still in stock in stores. A lot of people slept on these, but these look good on feet, y'all. Nubuck material. Hints of orange. I think these are called totally orange, man. I don't know. But boy slept on these. Any more 3s? I don't have no more 3s. So I gotta find a spot for these right here. So let's see how they look on feet. I gotta say, these gonna be the number 1 3s I have in my collection. I love 3s more than Jordan 11s. I mean, Jordan 11's gonna always be that shoe. But man, at my age, 3s feel good on feet. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man. And I don't see no quality control issues. Cause I usually see quality control issues, man, on some of my shoes, man. But these right here, man, let's put the other one on. I gotta go downstairs, let the wife see. See what she think about it. She gonna say she like it anyway. She gonna say she like it. Maybe because I'm dressed up, but yeah. These, man. Woo! Woo! These hitting. Let's stand up. Your boy feeling these, man. I just can't believe your boy got them. Damn. And I can't believe the resale value, the resale value low. I went on StockX, and they going for about $229 my size, and I threw them in the cart just to see what it'll add up to. It came out to be like $279. Your boy got them for $2. But I would have paid $279 for these? Nope. Alright, we got them on the turntable. Let y'all get a quick look. 360. If you got these, drop a comment. If you don't, you didn't hit on them and you wanted them, drop a comment too.